Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Android to access iCloud. You sign in with your Apple ID on a web-compatible app or browser. Enter the verification code from your Apple device or recovery method. Once signed in, make sure the browser or app has storage and cookie permissions so files download. If you plan to sync photos or contacts, grant contact and storage access now and confirm backup settings in iCloud to ensure items are visible to Android. Next, you fetch and sync the data you need. Open iCloud. COM in your browser set to desktop mode, navigate to Contacts, Photos, or iCloud Drive and select items to export. When downloading contacts, export as a vCard so you can import to Android contacts. When saving photos, download as a zip to preserve file names. If you need ongoing sync, install a reliable third-party app for calendar or notes bridging. Once done, import files into Google Apps or local storage for normal Android access. Finally, you complete the transfer and verify everything works. Import the vCard into your Android contacts, move unzipped photos into Pictures or upload to Google Photos, and copy iCloud Drive files into your preferred folders. Once done, set a routine, periodic exports, or an automation app to keep data current. If something fails, check two-factor authentication prompts, confirm the app/browser has storage and contact permissions, and retry in desktop browser mode. Often re-authenticating fixes permission or download errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.